Noong nakaraang taon, 42% ang itinaas ng bilang ng mga nangangailangan ng dialysis dahil sa kidney failure kumpara noong 2022. Ito raw ang resulta ng pagdami ng may diabetes at hypertension na maaaring mauwi sa kidney failure.
Diabetes and hypertension run in families. So sometimes you have a family where 2 to 3 people have kidney failure and they're gonna be on dialysis.
Lifestyle disease kung tawagin ng diabetes at hypertension.
We're eating too much sugary food. We're not paying attention to our blood sugar. We're not compliant with our blood pressure medications.
Kaya dapat regular na ipacheck ang kidney kung high risk o may diabetes o hypertension.
We have very good drugs now. They will control blood sugar and they will also protect the kidneys and the heart. These drugs are effective and they're effective even in the late stages of kidney disease. So we can still delay dialysis by 9 years.
Sa buong bansa, mahigit 50,000 ang mga nagpapadialysis. Kaya pinag-aaralan ng PhilHealth na itaas ang sagot nitong dialysis package sa 5,200 pesos kada session mula sa kasalukuyang 2,600 pesos. Inaasahang makumpleto nila ang pag-aaral sa loob ng isang buwan.